I was an exchange student in Hungary from August 2014 till June 2015. During that time, I started to get the necessity or the interest to start learning how to code. I just wanted to know what it was. I wanted to know if that's what I wanted to study. I thought I need a goal, so I thought, oh, it would be a really nice thing to have an app in which you can get the schedule of the buses and then find the nearest bus. So I thought, okay, first things first, let's see if that app already exists. So I looked it up and I found that some Hungarian guy that was living in my city developed it. So I was like, okay, I can't make that app anymore, but there's somebody that already did it, so I want to contact him. I googled him really quickly and I found his Facebook, and in his Facebook page I found that he's currently working at a place called CAS Software. So I was like, okay, let's check it out. Let's see what this CAS software is. After a little bit of research and a lot of caffeine, I found that this company was, first of all, it was a German company that provides solutions for their users. They work with, for example, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, and other companies. It sounded like something cool. I found that the company was like, I don't know, 500 meters away. In their website, I found a place where it said, come visit us. We have internships and we want to work with you. And I was like, okay, let's try it out. So I picked up my stuff and I started walking towards there. I went into their company and they were like, okay, yeah, what's up? And I was like, bocsánat, én nem nagyon jól beszélek magyarul. That was hey, I'm sorry, I don't really speak a lot of Hungarian. And they were like, oh, do you speak English? And I'm like, yeah. And they're like, okay, what's up? So what brings you here today? And I was like, I'd like to learn from the experience of somebody else. And I started telling them about my experience. I showed my code to a worker, and they thought it would be kind of a good idea. I mean, there was a place for me, and there was even the possibility of me getting paid for that internship. But due to the fact that I was not an actual Hungarian, I was not allowed to have a payment. So I decided to go anyways. For 6 months I was in that company working with the research team. That's a team that focuses on not only the front end or the back end, but both of them. So I learned a little bit about the front end, a little bit about the back end, and I had a couple courses. I started to develop my own app, but I have to say I wanted to learn from experience, and this time it did not work right. So yeah, I learned quite a lot in those 6 months. I made a lot of really good relationships, and it was a really nice experience, and that's exactly why I'm learning computer science and why you're watching this video. So that's about it. That's my experience in CAS software.